If you want to transition clips in CapCut and you want to make them smooth and buttery, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So follow me. So we're going to start out here in the CapCut desktop app, and as you can see, I've got two clips over here that I've put onto my timeline, and what we're going to go and do is up on the top left hand side you will have all of your menu items. You want to look for transitions. Now there are a bunch of transitions here. If you look on the left hand side, there are a few different categories of transitions. Now what I like to use is either overlay, because overlays are nice. They lay frames from your previous video over your following video, and the transitions are very smooth. What else I like to use is the blur transitions. Now the blur transitions, there are quite a few, and they actually work a little bit better than the overlays if you have clips that are similar to each other. So I'm going to go ahead and add a transition over here just simply by clicking on the transition and dragging it down to where the two clips meet. Now once it's there, it opens up a window on the right hand side where it allows you to change the duration of the transition. So you can go ahead now, and it's actually currently at 0.5 seconds. So it's half a second that it's overlaying from each clip. What you want to do here is maybe just increase it a little bit, because what's going to happen is when you increase this, it is going to transition over a longer period of time. So let's increase this. Now you can use this slider, you can use the arrows up and down, or you can just double click over here and type the amount of seconds in that you would like it to transition over. And once you push play, this is what it'll look like. Now that is a smooth transition, and you can mess around with the duration of the transition to make your clips look better and to obviously suit your specific needs. If this was helpful, drop us a like. You can go ahead and share it with a friend, and happy creating, people. Peace out.